Hi, I'm Dan from Apex Autos and we're going to take this fantastic Audi A1 for a little test drive. The car fires up very nicely, slips into first gear very easily, so away we go. We do these test drive videos to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulled away very nicely there, clutch and the gearbox feel good, through all 6 gears very nicely, brakes feel nice, steering feels great, so the car is driving spot on as it should. Suspension's riding the bumps very nicely on this country road as well. Now the car has got fantastic specification, so you've got the Audi multimedia system on display there. On there you've got the likes of DAB radio, as well as FM and AM, CD player. You've got the all-important Bluetooth for your mobile phone, hands-free and audio streaming as well. You've got really nice, comfortable half leather seats. Air conditioning down here, really stylish leather multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, which is one of the upgrades. What else have we got? Reverse parking sensors, automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers, again another factory fitted upgrade. Got another feature down here called drive select, so I can put it in dynamic, so sporty mode. I can put it in efficiency mode or auto. The car has got plenty of power. I think this is the best engine you can get in the Audi A1 because it's got 150 brake horsepower, yet it's low emissions, cheap road tax, great fuel economy. So here we are back at base. So thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. You take care and bye for now.